Hey there, I'm Noah, your friendly neighborhood coder. So welcome to the very first video of our HTML course for absolute beginners. You might be wondering, who is this guy? Well, I'm just a curious coder who loves breaking things and then fixing them better. This course is designed to take you from zero to knowing how to build web pages confidently. Whether you want to become a developer, enhance your resume, or just want to impress your cat by making your own website, then you are in the right place. Before we dive into HTML, let me tell you something. I remember watching The Social Network for the first time. There's Mark Zuckerberg sitting in his dorm room, typing away like a maniac, building Facebook while ignoring literally everything else in life, including friends, sleep, and apparently basic social skills. Honestly, I don't care about all the drama and lawsuits. What hooked me was this idea that you can just sit there with your laptop and build something that millions of people use. It made me realize coding isn't just about typing weird symbols or memorizing commands. It's about creating stuff that can actually impact the world, or at least annoy your university administration like Mark did. So if you are here to learn HTML, don't think of it as just boring tags and elements. Think of it as your first step towards building your own version of Facebook, hopefully with fewer lawsuits. Alright, let's start with the basics. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Sounds fancy, but here's what it really means. Hypertext. The link that connects one page to another. Think of it like teleporting from one page to another. And markup language. Basically a way to mark up text so the browser knows how to display it. So what does that mean in the real world? Well, think of HTML as the skeleton of a website. It gives the page its structure. Without it, your website is just an invisible blob floating around the internet void, like a ghost no one can see. Let's see a quick example of HTML in action. This line creates a big heading on your web page that says Hello World. It's like saying hello to the internet. Let's break this down step by step. H1 is a tag. It tells the browser, hey, this is a heading. Hello World is the content, the text you want to show. /H1 is the closing tag. It tells the browser, okay, heading is done, move on. Almost every tag in HTML has an opening and closing tag, like a sandwich. The content goes in the middle. Let's look at another tag, the paragraph tag. The P tag stands for paragraph. Easy, right? So anytime you want normal text on your website, you wrap it in P tags. Tags can also go inside other tags. For example, here's a heading with a bit of emphasis. Here EM stands for emphasis. It usually makes the text italic, so the word world will appear italic in the heading. Tags inside tags are called nested tags. You're gonna use this a lot. When you write HTML, you are giving instructions to the browser. The browser reads your tags from top to bottom and renders what you tell it to. It won't guess. If you mess up your tags, the browser will do weird stuff. So remember, HTML is all about using tags to give your content meaning and structure. You wrap text with tags, and the browser turns it into visible, organized content for the world to see. Now you might be wondering, okay, this H1 and P stuff is cool, but what about real websites like YouTube? Well, guess what? Every single thing you see here is built using HTML. This logo, it's an image tag. This video titles, heading tags. The search bar, an input tag inside a form. And this entire layout made up of countless div tags that act like boxes to arrange everything neatly. So from buttons to links, images to forms, headings to paragraphs, it all starts with HTML giving structure to the page. Well, don't worry if all these tags sound overwhelming right now. We are going to cover each and every one of them step by step in this course. By the end of this course, you will not only understand how these websites are built, but you will also be able to build your own pages just like this. In the next video, we'll set up VS Code so you can actually write and run HTML on your own computer. Trust me, it's super easy and way more fun than starting at this slide. Before you go, make sure to check out the full playlist for this HTML course. I'm gonna organize all the videos step by step so you can learn without getting lost or confused. Just click on the playlist link in the description or on the end screen and start your journey to becoming a web developer today. Trust me, learning in order will make everything 10 times easier and way more fun. And yes, even the dog with glasses approves this learning path. Alright, that's it for today's video. We learned what HTML is and why it's the backbone of every website you use. In the next video, we are going to set up VS Code so you can actually start writing your own HTML code and see your first web page come to life. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. Because trust me, coding is fun, but it's even more fun when you are not doing it alone. And remember, if a dog can code, so can you.